and many ideas together. Yeah. That's why we first started with an innovators workshop where we asked farmers, we scouted around, identified farmers who have innovated, brought them into the workshop along with the agriculture university engineers, agronomists and NGOs who are promoting. Yeah. All of them together. And then we displayed all the leaders. This was done in a farm. Asked them to form a panel. In the beginning there was an introduction on SRI, and then what is the kind of leader that we are looking at, what is the kind of marker that we want, some kind of a synthesis of that discussion into some principles. Then the farmers went into the field and then looked at each implement and then tried it in the field. After that, they actually said this particular component in this weeder is good, this component in this is good. Likewise, array of what is appropriate came up. So from out of that, the whole thing at the back also is facilitated by a farmer who is also an agriculture engineer called Kishanda. So we came up with this hybrid one. Actually, the handle, if you look at the person there. Yeah, the posture. We were more concerned with the posture. Yesterday, your and the market you are reflecting. If you have a posture like this, it pains. And if you have a posture like this, it pains. Go to the first side. Yeah, that is a very awkward posture. I mean, you have to. It actually puts all your effort into this. So, what kind of posture we need to get and all that. So, we need to have a good posture. This is in one of implements innovated by a farm. So that was taken from one farmer.